Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI device to Realme 9 Pro Plus. First of all, open Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Following that, get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Over here, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one. I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up about updates, you can choose not now if you want to, and then close it by hitting OK. Then choose Send at the bottom left corner of XIAOMI and Receive at the bottom next to Send on Realme. Also on Realme, scroll down and tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to XIAOMI. You need to tap on all of those dots from all of those categories if you wish to select all of your files. You can also just tap on the chosen ones. When you're ready, click on Send next to Selected and tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Finally, select the best connection way for you. If you want to use this QR code, tap on this scanning icon next to Input key on Realme. Then select while using the app or only this time to allow camera access, and point your device's camera at the code. In order to input this key though, tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers correctly, and connect using Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!